keeps what a broken.
Lihat nggak lihat mau kecil tuh. Malah
You are the reason. Oke, peserta pertama Dianing Pramita Guntari, silakan duduk di kursi panas.
silakan kursi panas.
Itu kursi dingin loh, ini kursi panasnya. Pertemuan silakan duduk di kursi panas, berfoto.
Foto.
Oke, pertemuan lihat kamera, senyum dengan ikhlas, jangan dipaksa, harus natural ya. Oke, jangan bersender, agak tegak sedikit. Oke, sudah. Ya. Tolong kawannya dibantu dengan doa ya supaya berhasil. Senyumnya, pertemuan. Senyum. Emang senyum seperti itu ya? Oke. Ya, senyum sedikit, teruan. 1, 2. Oke, selamat kamu berhasil ya. Sudah tanya di sini pertemuan. Please come back now. That is mine. To other my head beat. I know where there's snow. I climb every mountain. Dulu ya, saya pakai ya. To be with you, fix what a broken. Adita, silakan duduk di kursi panas, berfoto. You see, and you are the reason. There goes my hands up. You are the reason. I have kissed please. Oh, I need me now. If I can turn back the clock, make sure bright light defeated the dark. Spend every hour, oh every day, keeping you safe. Alah. Climb every mountain, see just to be with you. Keeps but a broken. Belum pernah? Kita cek dulu ya. Just to be with you. Fix what I broke. Kamu agak ke depan sedikit duduknya. Lagi. Duduk kursinya sedikit, kamu ke depan. Lagi ke depan lagi sedikit lagi. Oke, tolong dibantu kawannya dengan doa supaya berhasil. Oke, giginya sedikit boleh. Ya, istighfar dulu loh. Dah. Duduk lagi pertemuan. Be with you, fix what I to see. Hey, you are the reason. There goes my hand into other way. My hips keep bleeding, and I need you. If I can turn back, make sure the light defeated the dark. Spend every hour on every day, giving you sign, and climb every mountain, fix what I broke. All the I need you to see that you are the reason. You are the reason. Climb every mountain.